Okay, so since I miss rapping and I miss making videos, and I know there's a lot of people messaging me, commenting on my pictures, saying that they miss me making videos. Okay, I'm going to make this one for you guys. But it's not the ones that I promised. I'm still practicing tao lang. So, yeah, it's kind of hard. A lot of things going on, and I only have 10 more minutes right now. So, okay, here it goes. Kay sakit namang isipin na sa puso mo ako'y pangalawa. Sa tuwing nakikita kitang kasama siya, pinipikit ko ang aking mga mata. At sa gabing kasama mo siya, halos hindi ako makahinga. Kayakap ko ang bote ng tekila, nagmumukmuk sa ibabaw ng lamesa, naghihintay hanggang sumapit ang umaga. Nang muli kang makasama, ano ating lagay? Hindi mapalagay. Ako'y nasasaktan sa tuwing hawak mo kanyang kamay. Sa kanya ka sa tanghali, akin ka sa gabi. Pagising sa umaga, wala ka na sa tabi, merong kahati. Gusto kita na mapasakin, kung pwede lang ba sana sa kanya kita nakawin. At lagi mong iisipin, kung hindi ka para sa akin, huwag mo lang sanang limutin na ika'y mahal ko rin. Sa puso ko'y nag-iisa, kahit merong iba, kahit hindi tama ang ginagawa, sinta. Basta ba'y makasama lang kita, kahit kapiling mo ba siya. At wag nang mangamba, kahit sa... Okay, that's it. I gotta go. I have one announcement. I will be leaving later for Batanes, or tomorrow, pero madaling araw. I will be leaving for Batanes, and I will tell you more about it next time. But there is this other announcement of mine na I am going to go to places of which maraming taong gusto akong pumunta. So if you'd like to vote, if you would please vote, I'm going to post the link at the description box. I will post the link of where you can vote kung saan niyo po ako gusto pumunta. So please go to the link and tell me the place you want to go to. And we'll be counting kung saan pinakamarami, and I'll go there first. Okay, yun lang po. Bye-bye. Thank you. Mwah! See you around the Philippines. I really have no idea how to end this. Follow me on Twitter at DJ Vidana. Eliminate my posers. Bye.